So today I'm going to show you how to thread the Bernina B330 sewing machine. We're going to use this spool holder on the right. If you're using this type of thread, make sure it goes into the middle circular hole, not the outer ones. I'm going to place the thread on the spool holder. The first place is I'm going to go behind this silver hook in the back here. I'm going to swipe it from the back to the front. Then I'm going to follow these threading arrows. So it tells me to go down the front of the machine. Then another arrow tells me to go up behind this metal plate. So I'm going to go up to the top. Then up here there's an arrow that tells me I need to make a U-turn. So I'm going to go all the way to the back and come all the way to the front. The goal of that step is that the thread goes into the hole in this uptake lever here. So once it's in the uptake lever, I'm going to bring the thread down. We're going to go behind this bar here. And then here there's like a horseshoe, a U-shaped metal bar. We're going to go behind that bar as well. The next step, there are two different ways to do it. The first step is you're trying to get it in the eye of the needle there. I usually pinch the thread really close to the edge of my fingers, and then I put it through the eye of the needle. With my finger, I push it forward, and then you can pull the thread that way. Or the second method is you can use an automatic needle threader. You're going to push this gray lever all the way down. This little metal bar is going to come and hug the needle. With my thumb, I'm going to push the thread back, and it's going to wrap around that gray finger there. Then I'm going to pull the thread straight across to the right and up and back, kind of like I'm flossing teeth. And I'm going to gently let it go, and it's going to pull the thread through the eye of the needle for me. Either method I choose, go ahead and leave the thread in between that little hole in the presser foot, and you can leave it up here, and it'll cut the thread short for you. And you're ready to sew.